I need some sunglasses or something.
Let's read.
There we go.
Just do a run through.
All right. I'll be like. All right. I'm Jolene Thornton. Now, have you ever been visiting a family member, like maybe your Aunt Lurleen, and she lied to you? She's talking about her hip replacement, her bad arthritis, but you know she's lying because she's walking on her 2 feet. Or maybe about how she don't have too many cats. The lady's got 32 with names like Buster, Hubert, and Hubert too. Well, now there's no need to worry. I've got Truth Sol. You just take the Truth Sol, spray a little in your Annie's face. Just go, ah, ah. There you go.
Or you say, get that shit in my mouth.
Oh my God, that's real Lysol.
It is.
Fuck her.
You stink.
Fucking real Lysol.
Truth Sol. They won't ever lie again. Truth Sol. I got mine. Have you?